Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today's drawing of the planet Mars is a little different from many of our other tutorials on the channel. This is because we're using a black background to represent the emptiness of space. This also allows us to see the red planet in all its glory. We're going to use pencil to draw the outline of the planet Mars. You can use a set of compasses or a stencil if you think your circle skills may not be up to scratch. Mars has various minerals and rocks which make up its surface. It has different craters, hills, and other features. We don't need to be exact in terms of topography, but we do need to demonstrate that the surface is uneven and textured. We do this by drawing these different textures into our illustration. Although Mars is the red planet, its natural color actually has various shades. This is why we need a wide palette of color. When looked at all together, the tones will merge to give the overall picture. Here, we mix some yellow and gold to draw these first sections. We're using acrylic paint as watercolors will look too washed out. Acrylics are better for blending colors of the planet. Poster paints can also work as well. Now a little darker brown will show some shadowing. White is also a great way to highlight different textures on the planet's surface. We can blend a little of the yellow to merge the colors. Using this bright orange, we'll blend with the other colors to give us the appearance of a red planet. Since we don't want the planet to be too bright red, mixing red and orange together can help us give a more accurate coloration of the planet. The further we get our picture, the darker the colors we will use. Make sure you keep blending the colors as you go. Feel free to add a little more of a different color if you think you've added too much of another. This is not an exact science, so getting the right blend will take some trial and error. Now that we have our balance of colors, showing the different textures of the Mars surface and blending the different shades, we can see the finished planet. If you have any other planets you'd like to see drawn, or anything else you need a tutorial for, leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.